Just when you thought it couldn't get any worse. I was about to say better, but it's not too much good news right now. And this is strictly from TurboTax. We're gonna do this TurboTax update. And guys, I'm trying to keep hope alive. Let me find my phone. I got a statement from TurboTax. Like I said, once they contact me, I'm letting you guys know, because we have to know this information. And some of these, for real, like TurboTax, they might not even send you guys these emails. So I'm trying to give everybody hope and basically keep everybody updated, because TurboTax, you know, you got Jackson Hill, you got TurboTax Tax Act. I just did a video on. So if you got any of those, check my previous videos out. But you guys got to understand that it's millions of people being affected right now. Millions on the same boats, basically. So I'm just trying to keep everybody updated, trying to give people faith. You know, I got the statement from TurboTax, and I'm going to get into this here. But first, if you guys want to be entered in a giveaway, all you got to do is drop the comments below and say, put me in the giveaway. The giveaway will be probably beginning of February. My birthday is January 30th. So with that being said, I'll probably get all of everybody's, you know, information. I'll get your YouTube channel name. So all you gotta do is, you know, say something. I'm gonna write your YouTube channel name down. I have been starting writing those names out. Once I write those names out, basically I'll make another video. I'll pull out the hat. But I'm gonna be stopped doing the entries January 30th, which is on my birthday. And like I said, that is Saturday. So January 30th is gonna be the end of the entries. I'll make that video, you know, within a week. Make that video, that way everybody's updated and that giveaway is going. And by then, you know, hopefully the ball is going. Everybody, you know, everybody's pretty good. You know, then we can work on other things that we can do. But yeah, this is strictly from TurboTax, and I hope you guys, if you guys haven't received this email, all you gotta do is go check your email, come back to this video. If not, you can, you know, we can all share it, watch it, not watch it, but I'll read it, and then after I read it, like I said, if you want to go read it, go check your email. If not, I got it right here. You know, this came strictly last night. They've been, it's like, I don't know if it's like, obviously it's somewhat scripted, it's somewhat like premeditated emails, but it's like, did they already know this was going to happen? You know what I mean? So are they just now sending these emails out, or everybody's not affected? You know, I don't know. But if you were affected by this, when I mean affected, let's say if you did not receive your tax return, drop the comments below. And if you have, drop the comments below. You know, that way people can understand, like, everybody's affected. You know, everybody think is their bank, or think they're singly handed out. And it's really, everybody's kind of like in the same boat. You know, it's crazy we got to go through this. You know, 2021, you know, in this type of world. And it's like, in reality, like, this could be a bad way to start the year. Like, if you didn't have other things in place, like whether you're working, you're going to school, you got a family, kids, job, whatever, this could be a bad start. But it's just still the beginning of the year. You know what I mean? Still January. So in February, March, hopefully, you know what I mean, we'll work our way up and things will be better. Things will be transcending. You know what I mean? Things will be going up. So with that being said, it says, dear valued TurboTax customer, we know that you have not yet received your stimulus payment. We want to assure you that we are doing everything we can to get your stimulus payment as quickly as possible. Really? Really? It's the 11th. It's the 11th, you know. In my personal opinion, I do believe, you know, there should be something, you know what I mean, somebody, we can't keep letting the government mess up, or the government make these errors and nothing happen. But if we done that, if this was our job to do that, you're getting fired. You know, a lot of stuff was going on with the government and getting passes. Like, if I was HR and a company doing this and making that type of mistake over millions, you're getting fired. But anyway, that's beside the point. You know, that's IRS. People gotta be held accountable. You know, and it just still seems like people are deflecting. You got TurboTax blaming IRS, IRS blaming TurboTax. So it's like, who's really to blame? But at the end of the day, the American people who deserve the stimulus check need their stimulus check. You know, that's just what it comes down to. Like, regardless of who's to blame, you know, get this money, get this stuff going, get it going faster, you know, get it going more smoother. It says, unfortunately, for some tax filers affected by the IRS error, stimulus payments are still at the IRS without the IRS releasing these funds to us. We do not have a way to get your payment to you. We do not have a way to get your payment to you. The IRS will need to reissue your stimulus payment. I read that twice, so kind of let that sit in. We do not have a way to get your payment to you. So basically they're saying, like, as of right now, whatever the mix-up is bad. You know what I mean? It's not one of the things where we thought before, you know, when it first started going on, we thought it was bad. Now it's really bad because they really tried to issue those out and they still can't get it. So I really don't know as far as the next step, but maybe if people, you know what I mean, you can't say that people who change their address are affected, you know what I mean? So if you change your address or bank account on top of this, you know, drop the comments below. That way we can try to figure out and help you guys. You know, it's all about trying to help you guys and inform you guys, but try to make it smooth as possible. But it looks like the government, the IRS, are already saying they don't have no way to get the payment to you. TurboTax is saying we have no way to give you this payment. Let's see what else they're saying. They says, according to the IRS, stimulus payments are expected to be deposited into bank accounts by the end of January. So by the end of January, so we have, today's the 11th. And you're telling me by the end of January? Drop the comments below if you were affected by this. If you were affected by this, if you received this email. You know, they also said, we know how important these funds are for so many Americans, and we continue to advocate on your behalf with the IRS. We will be updating this FAQ, frequently asked questions, with information as we get it from the IRS. Thank you again for being a TurboTax customer. TurboTax, y'all gotta do something. Like, you guys are gonna start losing customers, you know, whether it is the IRS's fault or whose fault it is. I don't know what to say. I really hope everybody, you know, just stay in faith. I still believe it could get direct deposit at any time. Just based on exactly what's going on, what has been going on, you could really still expect the stimulus payment check to be deposited at any day now. You know, even though they said by the end of January, you know, some are saying February. You know, it's just still to a point where it's crazy. You know, like the American people have to deal with this. You know, that we have to deal with this. You know, on top of everything else that's going on in the world. You know what I mean? And now the payments are going to push back 30 days. You know, and some people have to file these on their taxes just based on the fact of they haven't received it yet. You know, if you check the IRS portal, let me know. You know, check the portal, come back to the video. Also let me know what it is, you know, what it says. I want to know if it updates or not. As I mentioned in other videos, you know, you really can go off of that to a certain extent, because a lot of people receive their stimulus checks and they still, on the portal, the IRS portal, it still says, you know what I mean, not available or non-payment or whatever. So it can still go that way, where that's so outdated. And, you know, like I said, it's 2021, that stuff is still so outdated. You should be able to track it to the T. You know, we think of this stuff like a package. You know, you're tracking a package, it should give you the updates, you know, at least daily, hourly updates. You know, you're not gonna get that with the IRS portals. You know, you may get an update every week. You know what I mean? It's sad, but make it an update every week, and that's what I'm saying. You really can't base it off of that. It's people that's receiving a direct deposit, and also they received the direct deposit, but on the IRS portal it says there's no payment, there's no updates. So if you guys received that as well, what's TurboTax, Jackson Hewitt, you got Tax Act, you also have, you know, CHIME, all these other banks and companies. If you guys got any questions regarding any of this information, drop the comments below. Like I said, once I receive this information strictly from them, I'll let you guys know as soon as possible with the updates. So if you guys got any questions, drop them below. Don't forget about the giveaway that we got going on. So you guys want to stay tuned. Hope you guys stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. You know, set goals It's time to achieve these goals. It's the beginning of 2021. Let's get it. You know what I mean? Keep pushing, keep going, keep striving.